Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of our drive through Ocho Rios, and we're on Main Street in Ocho Rios. This is like the local section for Ocho Rios where all the locals do their business, but there is like a hip strip. You can see it in part 1 where you have that leads from like the pier into Ocho Rios, and that's where you find more of the tourist section where you have all the shopping plazas, the hotels, those kind of things. It's like the hip strip for Ocho Rios. All the stores that offer stuff for the tourists, those kind of things. Okay, so we're on Main Street, and this part is very busy, as you can see. Now, as we mentioned in part 1, Ocho Rios has a lot of hotels, and it's the main town in St. Anne. But it's not the capital of St. Anne. We had covered that in part 1. St. Anne's Bay is the capital. But now you have residential communities like Richmond Estate with thousands of homes. You have Draxall that is still being developed but has thousands of homes. So you find that all those persons come into Ocho Rios to do their business, to go to the banks, to go to the supermarkets, whatever they need, shopping. This is where they would come. And this is the section they would come to. It's not really for tourists. This, as we said, there's another section. So this is the part of Ocho Rios that has a lot of activity with locals. You see a lot of taxis and those kind of things, because you come here to get the taxi to go to Draxall, to go to Richmond Estate. Okay, so this is like the shopping part, the business district, those kind of things. So basically you have two choices when you live in like Draxall. You come to Ocho Rios, which is the largest town in St. Anne by far, or you go to St. Anne's Bay, which is the capital. They have a lot of stuff down there too, but Ocho Rios is about 10 times bigger than St. Anne's Bay. Alright, so now we're going back. Okay, Ocho Rios is so busy, and because it's, if you're trying to get from, say, Montego Bay to Portland, you'd have to come through Ocho Rios. So they built a bypass to bypass the town because it was so big and so much traffic in the town already. So the bypass allows you to drive through Ocho Rios without coming into the town. And Ocho Rios has expanded so much now that the bypass has so many buildings on it. You would think it would be just a piece of land that you drive through. So it's just a matter of time before, well, that bypass road is I doubt it would get congested like these local roads, but a lot of, I mean, even down to call centers are being built on the bypass road now, because Ocho Rios is fully developed, as you can see. If it's not a plaza, it's a hotel, fully developed. There is no space. I mean, on the coastline for Ocho Rios, there is no space. Whatever space is there, a hotel or a villa is gone up. And even going after you drive out of Ocho Rios, as far as you can see, hotels are being built on the outskirts, going all the way back to Bosco Bell. You have villas right along the coastline. The only other place that's so developed in terms of tourism is probably Montego Bay. Okay, now on the left is some more villas. This is Crystal Cove, Santa Maria. Those are very nice villas, and they lead you right back to the beach. And then further down we have Sandals. This is Sombrio, another villa. So from here all the way back out now, it's just villas and hotels. This is Sandals Ocho Rios Beach Club on the left. On the right is Sandals Ocho Rios Beach Resort. Okay, on the left is Sandals, Ocho Rios. Okay, on the left now is Sandals Royal Plantation. And these Sandals hotels are very nice. 5-star, top of the line, some of the best hotels in the world. And you see how many of them they have in Ocho Rios. You have a lot more hotels, a lot of different chains. Everybody's down here. Okay, now this is the Auteurius Bypass. This is a road that was built to bypass Ocharius, and it has become so developed. The road has become so busy that they might need to build another bypass to bypass this one. Alright, we're just going to continue driving out so you can see some more of the expansion going on. So this is the Ocharius Bypass. Now on the right is a gas station, gas station. Supermarket is over there. They also have a location in Draxall. Out here is not sure what they call out here, but they have Tower Isle further up, which is, I think this is White River. But further up you have Tower Isle, you have Bosco Bell, a lot of hotels in those areas, not to mention villas. From here all the way back to Port Maria is hotels and villas. On the left is Jamaica Inn. Yeah, out here is White River. So this is plaza that they built. On the left, White River North Commercial Complex. Alright, so we're going to turn back around and head back into Ocharius. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.